Welcome to our channel, where the world becomes your playground, and every journey inspires your soul. What if I told you there's a place where every sunrise feels like a painting, every corner hides a story, and every meal is a celebration of life? A country that doesn't just welcome you, it embraces you with warmth, passion, and poetry. This is Italy. Begin in Rome, where the past and present exist side by side. Ancient ruins like the Colosseum and Roman Forum remind us of empires that once ruled the world. Throw a coin in the Trevi fountain to ensure your return. Watch life unfold in piazzas where espresso flows as freely as laughter. Rome is more than a city. It's an open-air museum with a heartbeat. Vatican City, the spiritual core. Within Rome lies the smallest country in the world, Vatican City. But don't let its size fool you. Here the power of faith and the glory of Renaissance art combine. Stand beneath Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling and realize that some creations transcend time. Florence, Renaissance reborn. Florence is where humanity rediscovered itself. Walk the streets that inspired Leonardo da Vinci, Botticelli, and Dante. Visit the Uffizi Gallery, cross the golden Ponte Vecchio, and climb the Duomo for a view that will leave you speechless. Florence teaches us that beauty isn't just seen, it's felt. Tuscany, where time slows. Tuscany feels like stepping into a painting. Rolling hills stretch to the horizon, dotted with ancient stone farmhouses, cypress trees, and winding country roads. This is a place where time slows down, where golden sunlight warms quiet villages, and the air carries stories of generations past. From the towers of San Gimignano to the peaceful fields outside Siena, Tuscany invites you to pause, breathe, and simply be. It's not about rushing through sights. It's about absorbing moments that will stay with you forever. Venice, a city like no other. Venice defies logic, built on water, floating in silence, kissed by light. Drift through its canals in a gondola, explore its hidden alleys, and when the fog rolls in, you'll swear the city is a dream. Cinque Terre, colors on the cliffside. Cinque Terre, 5 cliffside villages, each more colorful than the last. You hike from town to town, with sea spray in the air and freedom in your steps. It's Italy, distilled into beauty, simplicity, and joy. Amalfi Coast and Capri, heaven on earth. South of Naples, the Amalfi Coast looks too beautiful to be real. Towns cling to cliffs. Lemon trees scent the breeze. The water glows turquoise. And then there's Capri, chic, serene, and stunning. Ride a boat through the Blue Grotto and feel like you're entering another world. The people, the soul of Italy. But Italy isn't just made of stone and sea. It's made of people. Warm, proud, passionate people. They welcome you with espresso in the morning and songs in the evening. They live with heart, and they teach you how to do the same. If this journey through Italy touched your heart, inspired your dreams, or simply made you smile, go ahead and show some love. Ats, hit that like button, subscribe to join us on more unforgettable adventures, and tell us in the comments what part of Italy is calling your name.